स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। Q3 रिजल्ट टुडे लाइव। सन फार्मा, गेल इंडिया, IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक, बिरला कॉर्पोरेशन, जेन टेक्नोलॉजीज, भारत डायनामिक्स, डिलहिवरी, फुजियामा पावर systems to announce Q3 result. Q3 result today, 31st Jan 2026. Live updates. Find here all the live updates for the Q3 results released today. Multi-exposure of the abstract financial diagrams with upward arrow and hand typing on the laptop on background reason the breakthrough concept stock the photo for BL photo credit. Q3 results today, 31st Jan 2026 live updates. Find all the latest Q3 result 2026 updates of the Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, GAIL India, IDFC First Bank, Bharat Dynamics, Delhivery Central Depository Service, AFFLE 31, Hinati organizes other cable, Birla Industries, Zen Technologies, Finolex Industries, Clean Science and Technologies, Birla Corporation, Garware High-Tech Films, Fujiyama Power System, Moschip Technology, or many more other companies are declared their Q2 result or financial result. Or first of all, of the declare and the small finance bank Q3 result lives. ESAF Small Finance Bank post 7 crore net profit in Q3 financial year 2026. ESAF Small Finance Bank post 7 crore net profit in Q3 financial year 2026. ESAF Small Finance Bank returned to profitability with 7 crore net profit in Q3 financial year 2026 and marking significant growth and improved assist qualities. Birla Corporation Q3 result live profit jumps 71% to 53 crore. Birla Corporation Q3 net profit jumps 71% to 53 crore and Birla Corporation reported 71% increase in Q3 net profit to 53 crore despite of a revenue decline and challenging market condition.